Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by establishing proportions for Elsa using simple shapes and guidelines. Use a vertical center line to anchor facial features. Make the head 1/7 of the total figure height. Measure the shoulders about 2.5 head widths across. Sketch all shapes lightly with a hard pencil at first. Keep lines soft and corrected as needed. This framework makes facial placement and pose adjustment straightforward and consistent. Refine facial features after your construction lines look balanced and even. Place eyes halfway down the head to create an animated look. Position the nose 1/8 below the eyes for proper scale. Use a slight upward tilt for Artemis-shaped brows to convey resolve. Keep the mouth small and slightly curved to match Elsa's gentle expression. Draw the braids starting at the crown with loose, overlapping segments for natural flow. Block in Elsa's costume with long, elegant lines that suggest movement and fabric weight. Design the cape to flow from the shoulders about 3/4 of the body length. Indicate the bodice with a fitted waist and gentle seams at 9 and 3 o'clock positions. Add fabric folds with curved lines following hip and waist contours. Render hair strands with varied strokes and light highlights for dimension. Ink and erase pencil lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.